Okay, folks, what we got here is an absolutely gorgeous, great running Sunnen MBC-1802. It's a stroking hone. I'm going to show you in a few minutes, letting it do its stroking operation. I rebuilt the coolant pump with an actual Sunnen OEM kit for the coolant rebuild. So the coolant pump has been rebuilt. Pumps like a ding dong. We have pulled the coolant out of here. So get ready to ship after you buy this machine. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll show you the dial first of all, let you see that dial works and it looks nice. You can read it. Unlike a lot of these Sunnen hones, the dials get all yellowed over from the oil being splashed on them. So I've got it in manual stroking mode. I'm just going to go ahead and start her here. As you can see, now, another thing, you always have to put it in the mode here. So I'm going to go ahead and take off the truing sleeve here in a minute, and then we'll go ahead and do some actual stroking maneuver here. So it is an MBC 1802. It does not have the sizing probe that comes with it. But it does have the automatic cycle. When you hit the button, it'll actually run through. The pedal goes down by itself. This is the one with the electric motor. It's not the air cylinder style where you hit it and an air cylinder pushes down. This is a style that has the eccentric cam type deal, cam follower on it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll just start her up, put her in the automatic mode, hit the power cycle start button. And I'm going to go ahead and open up this little screw here that keeps it engaged. I'm going to take my truing stone off. I'm not going to run it long. Again, I rebuilt the pump and there's no, I didn't put any oil in there enough to pump, so I don't want to burn up my pump. So I'm just going to run it for one cycle here. It'll start up. I'm going to let it lock itself in. So now it's locked into the stroking mode. I'm going to put it in automatic. You can hear the coolant pump start. Hit the start button, I'm walking away. And because there is no truing stone or part in there, it just times out. So I'm going to go ahead and do it one more time, just so you can see. I push the start button, pedal goes down by itself. Does a stroke, and because there's no part in there, as soon as it's done with the cycle, it's going to stop. And then it's just got the stroking mode. So if I wanted to push the pedal down manually, stroker would start as soon as you let go. Now if I had a truing stone on there or a part on there, it would, or a truing sleeve, I mean, if I had a part in there, it would stay on until it became the right size. So that's going to conclude this video of this gorgeous Sunnen MBC 1802. Thank you, and let you be the high bidder.